when I first got there and you see this big sign that says "Welcome to Israel," I thought that was my wow moment, and it really wasn't. It wasn't until we got to the wall, and we had arrived in Jerusalem earlier in the day, walked around, and you just see these signs everywhere that say "the wall" with an arrow, and it's like they're pointing to any wall, and you go in and around corners, and then suddenly you're there. And we got there about 15 minutes before Shabbat started, and I called home, and I'm like, I'm here, and I just cried. And I couldn't tell you why I was crying, but I think it was this accumulation of everything, that when you think about Israel and you think about Jerusalem, it's the wall. And it's such a short little title for something so big. Like, you don't think of, it's not a wall. I mean, it is, but, and that was my aha moment. That was I'm here and I am surrounded by all of these other Jewish people who were getting ready to celebrate Shabbat. And I'm not the minority. And it was just the neatest experience at that point. It's hard to explain. You know, you tell people that it's the Sabbath and it's our holy time, and no one here really totally understands it. And you get there and everything shuts down, and you're there and you're going, okay, it's going to be Shabbat in 15 minutes and everything's real lively. And then once Shabbat starts and the dancing starts and it's loud and it's exciting and it's the coolest thing in the world. And I just felt it, and it's so hard to describe. And actually I called my husband and I said, you need to come. Like, he had no inkling to go until that moment. And I said, I can't even describe it in words. There's no way you can talk about it. It's just that feeling that you get.